Hello friends, Neil here, EMF Safety Zone channel. This is going to be an interesting video, and I'm going to try to withhold my personal opinions and be as factual as possible, and I'll let you make your own decisions. This is a scalar energy pendant which you can find many places online. They sell on eBay, they sell on Amazon, they sell on various websites. They're made in China. They're made out of some type of black ceramic material, and they're supposed to be an energy pendant that protects you from EMF, you know, gives you energy, and it shows, usually most websites will show them being measured with an ion counter at a very high ion count, showing how much energy they give you. I'm turning on a very good quality Geiger counter made by Measure Instruments. Okay, this is a Measure Instruments PRM 9000. Yeah, I'm just going to go forward and let you make your own decisions here. This will be hard to believe, okay? Here's the scalar energy pendant, and I'm going to put the Geiger counter over it. You cannot get a Geiger counter to get this kind of activity unless you're measuring something that is truly radioactive. Alright? This is already up to 1436 counts per minute. Now watch. The Geiger counter stops immediately. That's counts per minute average, 790. It'll probably pick up. And this is the current counts per minute, 1481. Now, I'm not an expert on radioactivity, but as far as I know, when you cover something with a plastic bag or cardboard, then it will stop alpha emission. So just to show you that this is not just alpha emissions, here's a very thick piece of cardboard. And look at the activity of the Geiger counter. Still an almost full activity. Which means that this is beta and gamma radiation as well, not just alpha. Alright, that current counts per minute is climbing steadily here. It's at 1649 counts per minute, 1850 counts per minute, 1735 counts per minute, 1777 counts per minute. And if I set it to average, it's at about 1181. And I've seen it go up to 2200 counts per minute. Now this Geiger counter, this level of activity is unparalleled. Usually you'd have to put it over a piece of uranium to get this kind of activity. Now here's something I printed off the internet. Alright, days to receive a dose for increased cancer risk of 1 in 1,000. Notice it's 28 days at 1500 counts per minute. And the Geiger counter was up to about 1350. And if I left it here longer, it would get a little bit higher. Now, there are numerous companies selling these pendants. They're under different brand names. This one just happens to be Quantum Scalar. I have measured a few other ones. Not all of them are quite as high as this, but I'm going to leave it to you to decide whether you want to be wearing a pendant like this over your thymus gland, over your heart. All right, it will be up to you. And they make these pendants in the shape of crosses, all kinds of different shapes and sizes that these come in, but it's all made out of the same material. And I do not know what the Chinese manufacturers are putting in here. We can only guess. And this will just keep climbing and climbing and climbing the more I hold it here. So if you want to believe that wearing this pendant on your body is going to give you energy, it probably will. It probably will give you quite a bit of energy. If you want to try to discern what kind of energy that it's giving you, then we probably should pay attention to data such as this. You can pause the video if you want to look more closely at this. Alright, thanks so much for watching.